Let me get to that. Okay, I target industrialists. Who has a case on me, or whom do I have a case on other than this Bombay case that I am talking about? If I have friends in high places, if I am connected in high places, if I have friends that are rich and wealthy and are industrialists, does that make me a cheater? Okay, you are jealous. Vidya Sagar in question is particularly jealous of me because I rejected a marriage proposal in 2015 because I discovered he's a big time womanizer and he's like everything's on paper, on his divorce papers. And he has criminal cases despite him having lured me with expensive gifts. He still faced rejection. That's why he's having a lot of grudges and anger, hatred, the hatred of rejection against me, and he's jealous that I have rich friends while he got rejected by everyone. He can't take it.
Friends, Meta Vishalange, AP police put a wrong case on you. Is there any evidence?
Yes. So I will be submitting evidence that the document that they arrested me on the basis of that has a stamp, a Bombay stamp, which I inquired from the stamp office in Bombay. The stamp shows a date of 2018, but I inquired that the stamp was purchased in November 23 from Kalyan. So the stamp is purchased in November 23, showing from the number, but it is stamped as 2018. So obviously it is forged, and it is purchased from Kalyan, sold to a vendor in Dombivali, has my signature, which is not my signature, absolutely not my signature, has an address, my current address, which I purchased, the flat I purchased in 2020 January, and the stamp is stamped as 2018 November. 2018, I was not even in Bombay. I was living in Ahmedabad. You know, I had an Aadhaar card by living in Ahmedabad. Then this paper doesn't have any notarization. It doesn't have, the stamp doesn't have percentage value of the property in question. You know, it's a totally fabricated thing that this man has done it. Schedule. Yeah, as my counsel better knows than me. And this man has alleged about my Aadhaar card discrepancies. He has only forged about it. And this property in question on the paper, on the alleged document, it is mortgaged. You know, so if we talk about the legal point of view, there are so many fallacies. There are so many like inaccuracies, loopholes, disturbances in the document that I don't know how the police accepted it in the first place. They should have arrested him on receiving that document itself. The evidence that they fabricated and implicated mean the same. It is no less than, the worst torture in the world. Staying for almost 45 days in incarceration wrongfully, unlawfully, that causes my parents to almost lose their lives. And face a nervous breakdown, I'm still living in terror. That what if this happens again? This is torture. So
How many police?
So there, in the remand report, and there was a team of more than around 10 to 15 police officials, but there were no ranking officials there who actually kidnapped me. They were definitely they were just doing their job. I believe what I feel, they were even sympathetic to us because an innocent family and highly educated family being trapped, into unlawful things. You have the names of the lower ranking officials who were there. I don't believe that they had the authority to take decisions on their own. They were definitely under strict orders of the higher ranking officials, which are obviously the IPSs. The then commissioner was, obviously everybody knows, Mr. Kanti Rana. And yeah, these lower ranking ones were only doing their job. They were instructed to do it. And this, by the level of manipulation, I'm sure intelligence is also involved in this, because look at the level.
As you reveal to the